After 45, many people start noticing small changes in memory, forgetting names, losing focus, or feeling mentally slow. Most people think this is just aging, but in many cases, it's not age, it's your daily habits. One of the biggest problems is constant mental overload. Using your phone all day, switching between tasks, and not giving your brain proper rest keeps it in a constant state of stress. Over time, this weakens the brain's ability to store and recall information. Your brain stores memory in a region called the hippocampus, and it needs both focus and recovery to work properly. When you multitask too much, your brain cannot fully process information, which leads to that brain fog feeling. At the same time, high stress increases a hormone called cortisol, which directly affects memory and concentration. Another important factor is blood sugar. After 45, even small increases in blood sugar can affect brain function. Some researchers even link memory problems to what they call type 3 diabetes, meaning the brain becomes less efficient at using energy. This can slow down thinking and weaken memory over time. Inflammation is another hidden issue. Poor diet, lack of movement, and stress can cause low-level inflammation in the body, which also affects the brain. This can make it harder for your brain to function clearly and protect itself. Sleep is one of the most important parts of memory. During deep sleep, your brain stores information and cleans out waste. But if your sleep is poor because of screens, stress, or irregular habits, this process becomes weaker and memory starts to decline. The good news is that you can improve your memory with simple daily changes. Start by reducing mental overload. Focus on one task at a time and limit unnecessary screen time, especially in the evening. Protect your sleep. Try to sleep at the same time every day, avoid screens before bed, and keep your room dark and quiet. Move your body daily. Even a simple 30-minute walk improves blood flow to the brain and supports memory. Add light strength exercises 2 to 3 times a week to keep your body and brain strong. Eat for your brain. Follow a simple pattern similar to the MIND diet. Include leafy greens, berries, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and healthy fats like fish or olive oil. Reduce sugar, processed food, and excessive junk food, as these increase inflammation. Train your brain. Read, learn something new, solve simple problems, or even change your routine. Small changes like using your non-dominant hand or taking a different route can help build new brain connections. Manage stress. Take a few minutes each day for deep breathing, relaxation, or quiet time. Lower stress means better brain function. Stay hydrated and stay socially active. Talking to people and staying connected also helps keep your brain sharp. Watch for warning signs. If you notice frequent forgetfulness, confusion, or difficulty focusing, don't ignore it. Early consultation with a doctor can help prevent bigger problems. Because memory is not just about remembering things, it's what helps you think clearly, make decisions, and live independently. And the habits you follow every day will decide whether your brain stays strong or slowly becomes weaker over time.